As now I am on the laptop screen. As you have seen the thumbnail that how to make extra $50 through Swagbucks. So let's begin. First of all, I will take you to my account. Here you can see I have already made 382 Swagbucks. I can show you by refreshing. It's Sukhdeep, and here we can earn Swagbucks through daily poll, in which we by giving a simple answers, whether it's right or wrong it doesn't matter, but we will get the Swagbucks. Or through surveys, here you can see that there is a survey of 15 minutes and it gives 60 SB plus 30 SB. By taking this survey, it is a limited time SB bonus, so coming on the way. And to begin with this, I will show you how to sign up, and I have made this 382 SB within 3 to 4 days. The earning through SB can be depending upon the capabilities of person to person. So I show you. This is the official Swagbucks website. By entering email, password and confirm password, we can make a new account. The Swagbucks gives us reward through PayPal cards or Amazon gift cards. PayPal is the best transaction method throughout the world, so it's been used everywhere, and I am also using it. For this, we have to make a PayPal account to get redeem or get the money through Swagbucks. The Swagbucks has already paid 42 crore rupees all around the world through Swagbucks coins. So let's get. As I have already made a personal account on Swagbucks through my personal Gmail, so I am using my another email. So is a problem for password length. So your next gift card is just a few clicks away. Complete these point earners and get closer to your first gift card. So by doing these tasks, we can earn SB by just within 15 or 20 minutes. Fill out quick survey. Here is a small survey of 3 minutes. I will do it later. Activate your $10 welcome bonus within 10 seconds. Earn big. You shop only online. Refer a friend. By referring a friend, we can also earn Swagbucks. Default your search engine. By searching, here is a web search where we can search our queries, and we will get Swagbucks in reward to that. When we sign up and verify our account, we get 2 SBs. Answer a survey. There are many surveys and earn up to 200 SB. So let's get in. I will do it later. So this is the home page, or we can say the dashboard. By doing tasks, we get the SB. So first we say that to-do list. This is the best. When we do a daily list, then we get some 3 or 5 Swagbucks extra. So first of all, there is daily poll. I will show you. Here is a question, whether we answer it right or wrong, but we will get 1 SB. Have you attempted any beautiful treatments at home? Haircut, manicure, dyeing, or hair? I have done my haircut in lockdown. Many people have done that. As I have always no, whatever way I don't do. Yes, I did it. Yes, and I like the results. So here we got 1 SB. our daily daily search. So let's search this local weather already. We have to search 2 to 3 times, and then we can get the Swagbucks. Deal of the day. Here are some their offers. You can click and get narrated by them. Daily activity, daily discovered. It's the same. All offers, grocery coupons. So here is the Chrome extension, and we can see that never miss a cashback opportunity with a swag button. Add the swag button and get 25 SB. As we cannot Ignito mode, but you can add at your simple web search. As I have already added the swag button, so I can't add it again. I can show you. Here I have the swag button. The benefit of this swag button is that whenever we are going to buy some, I remember that I have bought a domain from GoDaddy, and it was of 880 rupees annually, but due to coupons offered by Swagbucks for 200 rupees, so it's very useful. So now we should go back. So here you can earn Swagbucks by referring, and earn by adding swag button, or many other ways. So it is a best way for getting some money as a side income. It's very useful. I think everyone should use this at their free time. I think it's much for today, otherwise the video will be too long. I have added the link in the description box for the website. Go check it out. If you get some value from the video, must like, share and subscribe, and add your comments in the comment box. Your questions and queries, I will answer them all. Thank you and